उसे यह सब किसने बताया? Who told him all of this? Who told him all of this? क्या तुम यह पहले से जानते थे? Did you know it already? Did you know it already? मैंने तुमसे कहा ना, I told you right. I told you right. तुम्हारी बात सच साबित हुई. Your words proved true. Your words proved true. तुम्हें मुझ पर विश्वास करना चाहिए था. You should have believed me. You should have believed me. मैं जानता था कि मैं सही हूँ. I knew I was right. I knew I was right. इसके बारे में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था. I knew nothing about this. I knew nothing about this. सच में? Really? Really? यह मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. मुझे पता ही नहीं था. I had no idea. I had no idea. मैंने इसके बारे में कभी नहीं सोचा. I never thought of it. I never thought of it. यह मेरे लिए हैरत की बात है. This is surprising to me. This is surprising to me. कोई मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं कर रहा था. No one was believing me. No one was believing me. किसी ने मुझे समझने की कोशिश नहीं की. No one tried to understand me. No one tried to understand me. मुझे अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा था. I felt alone. I felt alone. मुझे तुम पर विश्वास है. I believe you. I believe you. हमसे गलती हुई. We made a mistake. We made a mistake. हमें इसके लिए माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए. We should apologize for it. We should apologize for it. अब मैं अपनी गलती सुधारना चाहता हूँ. Now I want to correct the mistake. Now I want to correct the mistake. आप इसे कैसे ठीक करोगे? How will you correct it? How will you correct it? इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need for it. There is no need for it. आज तो रहोगे ना? You will stay today, right? You will stay today, right? नहीं, मुझे जाना है. No, I have to leave. No, I have to leave. क्या आपको कहीं और जाना है? Do you have to go somewhere else? Do you have to go somewhere else? आपको रुकने के लिए कोई जगह मिल गई? Have you found a place to stay? Have you found a place to stay? अभी तक नहीं, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Not yet, I'm still looking. Not yet, I'm still looking. आप वहाँ कितने दिन रहोगे? How many days will you stay there? How many days will you stay there? मुझे वहाँ एक हफ्ते तक रहना है. I have to stay there for a week. I have to stay there for a week. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? मैं कुछ नहीं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm not looking for anything. I'm not looking for anything. उन्हें तुम्हारी फिक्र है. They worried about you. They worried about you. तुमने उन्हें बताया कि तुम ठीक हो? Did you tell them you're fine? Did you tell them you're fine? नहीं, मैंने अभी तक उन्हें नहीं बताया है. No, I haven't told them yet. No, I haven't told them yet. तुमने उन्हें क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell them? Why didn't you tell them? मैं उन्हें जल्दी बता दूंगा. I'll tell them soon. I'll tell them soon. क्या आपने उससे बात की? Did you talk to her? Did you talk to her? आपने उससे क्या कहा? What did you tell her? What did you tell her? क्या उसने आपको कुछ बताया? Did she tell you something? Did she tell you something? क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि वह तुम्हें समझेगी? डू यू थिंक शील अंडरस्टैंड यू? डू यू थिंक शील अंडरस्टैंड यू? वो चली गई। शी हैज़ लेफ्ट। शी हैज़ लेफ्ट। वो कहाँ चली गई? वेयर डिड शी गो? वेयर डिड शी गो? तुमने उसे कहाँ भेजा? वेयर डिड यू सेंड हर? वेयर डिड यू सेंड हर? मैंने उसे कहीं नहीं भेजा। I didn't send her anywhere. I didn't send her anywhere. तुमने उसे क्यों जाने दिया? Why did you let her go? Why did you let her go? मैंने उसे जाने दिया क्योंकि वो ऐसा चाहती थी। I let her go because she wanted to. I let her go because she wanted to. मैं उसे रोक नहीं सका। I couldn't stop her. I couldn't stop her. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि तुमने सही फैसला किया?